Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to change how long Clipboard history is available in the Spotlight on your Mac. Thanks to a recent macOS update, you can now decide how long copied items remain accessible in the Spotlight on your Mac. Previously, Spotlight could optionally store the Clipboard contents for up to 8 hours, but the latest update has expanded that flexibility. From a user experience perspective, it's a welcome change. That said, let's get started. So first we have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. Then you have to choose the Spotlight option located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on the drop-down menu located next to Clipboard History is available in Spotlight, and then you have to choose the preferred option. Previously, Spotlight could optionally keep the Clipboard contents for up to 8 hours only. However, the latest update had expanded that flexibility with 3 notable options: 30 minutes, 8 hours, or 7 days. So choose the right option depending on your needs and you are good to go. It's worth pointing out that there's also a new Clipboard history option in the same section, which gives you the ability to manually wipe stored Clipboard data without having to wipe Spotlight search history wholesale. From what I can tell, the changes should be welcomed by anyone willing to have better control over how long potentially sensitive information is retained by Spotlight. That said, now feel free to share your thoughts about this notable change, and I'll catch you up in the next one with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye.